In front of me is Realme GT and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by locating Clock app and tapping on Alarm section at the bottom left corner. Now before creating new alarm, use those three dots at the top right one to access settings. Then manage them under alarms however you want to. When you finished, go back and to add a new alarm, use this plus at the bottom in the middle. Then adjust it. Begin by setting up an hour at the top. Then select one of those repeat options, frequency, workdays, or custom. Wherever you decided, when you finished, scroll down to tap on ringtone and vibration. Then hit allow. And by tapping on vibration over here, you can select one of those patterns, disable them completely or synchronize them with ringtone. Whatever you decided, when you finished, go back and click on one of those system themes. You can click on classic themes and apply one of those. Select atmospheric themes and tap on one of those options. Click on Spotify, log into your account and use music from it. Click on weather themes and adjust your ringtone to current weather. Or tap on this device and tap on any song from your smartphone to apply it. Wherever you decided, when you're done, after going back, click on snooze and decide how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. You can also turn it off completely thanks to this switcher at the top. So when I go back this time, I can finally select done at the top right corner and this way save my new alarm. To turn it off or on, use this switcher next to it and click on one of those options. To edit it, click on it, make your changes and hit done. To get rid of it though, you need to hold it instead of tapping on it. Click on delete at the bottom and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!